people, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing amazingly well today. Obviously it's Good Friday. You've already seen my morning skincare routine, I believe, or you might have seen this video first and that comes later. I really don't know what order I'm putting them in, but anyway, hello, I'm Roxanne. If you're new here, thank you so much for dropping by, and to all my amazing subscribers watching this video, welcome back. You guys know I love you, so thank you so much. I hope you're doing amazingly well. Obviously we're on lockdown, but that doesn't mean we can't glow, right? So that's what today's video is all about, as you can see from the title. I'm going to be testing out some VANI-T Australia Afterglow Skin Finishing Gloves. So I'll probably just try one of these, because that's just what I want to put on my body, hence why I've got kind of like this summery dress on, which obviously the girls keep popping out, so thank God I'm at home and not out. Otherwise we'll have a bit of a nip slip and nobody wants to see that, do they? No, my husband doesn't even probably want to see that. But anyway, I've got two shades. I was so lucky to be sent these, along with a load of other amazing VANI-T products. And I thought today, being as it's 24 degrees outside, why not get my shimmer on, right? So I have two shades, Goddess and Empress. I will swatch both, but then just put one on the body. I don't know which one just yet, so it's probably a good idea to swatch them. So this is Goddess. It's kind of like a goldy colour, and then there is a bronzy one, I think. So this is what Empress looks like. It's more of a bronzy shade, which I think I'll probably go with that one, but we'll swatch them first to see, just in case it's too dark for me. So what I might end up doing is just mixing them in together, because I'm about that life. I'm all about the glow, right? So, right, let me just put a little bit of Empress on the back of my hand and rub it in. So that is Empress. It's definitely bronzy bronze. So if I just rub it in, I'll kind of get a feel of what it looks like. Actually, that smells incredible, by the way. I feel like wasps and bees might be chasing me, because it smells so super sweet, but just like a really nice sweet smell. Oh, that is gorgeous. I think actually that might be the one, but let's try Goddess. I'll try it on my other hand so I can rub it in. I'm so sorry about the noise, by the way. My next door neighbour's gardening. Obviously he has every right to garden, but does he not know I'm filming? No, he doesn't. And he doesn't give a shit either, does he? So, come on. Right, I can't pump it up for some reason, so I'm just going to take a bit. That might be why. Like that. We'll sort the pump out in a little while. So that is what Goddess looks like. It's a really nice goldy colour. Again, it smells insane. To be honest, I think they both kind of melt in the same on my skin tones. I think they both suit me. They just add like a really nice dewy shimmer. That one's probably a little bit darker actually, come to think of it. Look at it. But that is lovely. They're both really nice. I think I'm going to go with the bronzy one just because of the pump. I just can't be bothered to try and fix that pump just now. So let's go in with Empress. And they also sent me this body buffing brush, so I can do all this good stuff, get in between my boobs and stuff. I'm going to have to kind of like do a duck down so I don't have a nip slip on camera, but there you go. Let's get started, shall we? So what I'm going to do is just pop some on the body brush, like so, and I'm going to dot it in places. I want it all down my arm. Look at this. Oh wow. Oh, it's just the smell. The smell is insane. I just want shimmery arms. I'm just going to put it all the way down my arm as well, because I feel like because it's for your body, it doesn't just have to be for like your collarbone or anything. Right, let's add a bit more on there. Oh, I'm already obsessed, I think. Might get my hair out of the way. In there. gorgeous. And neck a little bit. VANI-T is just amazing. Their products are just insane. They're also really natural, cruelty free, which is why I really kind of buy into their brand a lot, because I just think their ethos is just incredible. That looks gorgeous. I always find the right is harder to do because of my left hand. Let's do what I did before, get it down my... Hello Echo. Mama's just body glowing. It gives you like such a lovely like goldy bronzy shimmer. Like that is lovely. Yeah, I definitely picked the right shade, I think, to use. Try don't splash it as I'm doing this. I think Gary would be too impressed with that. Just really sculpts the body well. That gives you really nice definition. The brush is really good as well, by the way. It actually blends in really well. It's actually better than the Huda Beauty brush. I didn't really enjoy her Glow Body product anyway, but this is so much better than that. Actually blends in without drying down too much. It smells amazing. You get like a really nice bronziness. And it's not even too glittery, like there is a little bit of glitter in there, but like a shimmer, but not too much that it's overpowering. You think I look horrendous. Loving that. So there you go. That is my VANI-T Afterglow Skin Finishing Gloss review. I hope you enjoyed this try and review, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends. And if you're interested, I'll pop their link in the description box. I also have a discount code where you can get 15% off. It's not an affiliate code, it's just one for my subscribers that they've given me. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Stay safe and I'll see you next time. Bye!